everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you this thermal printer that the company Nelko sent me to show you guys. When you open the box, you're gonna find everything you need to use this printer, including a manual, the shipping labels, those are 4x6, an AC adapter, and an adapter for your Mac. The printer itself looks very sleek and modern, and it's actually quite small. And here's a comparison with my old thermal printer, the Neflaga. As you can see, this is half the size of the Neflaga one, and I appreciate that because I need to use a lot of space in my desk, so this gives me a lot of freedom. So here I am putting the AC adapter, and now I am connecting the printer to my computer. You can connect it with a USB, or here's the adapter if you're using Mac. I am using Mac, and sometimes you know how difficult it is to install things in Mac, but this was surprisingly easy. So we're going to turn on our printer, and you're gonna see a light flashing, and we have this USB that was sent in the box that has all the information. It has the manual and it has the driver for the printer. So you're going to use, if you're using Mac, of course you're going to use the Mac folder. If you're using Windows, the Windows folder. And as you can see, it's so easy to install. And then that's it. This is the easiest printer I've set up in my life. So then you go to settings, and you're going to look in your printers folder, and then you're going to click and add printer. You're gonna see your Nelko printer over there. You're gonna select it and then click add, and the printer has been added to your printer list, and as you can see, it's available right away. We are now going to go back to the main folder, and you go to manuals and guides, and you can find a sample shipping label that you can use to check if your printer is working properly. So you're gonna hit print, and then here it's very important that you choose your printer and the right size, guys. We're going to choose 4x6, which is the size of our labels, but as you can see, you can use a lot of different sizes, and it also has a custom size option. So we're gonna hit print, and as you can see, the labels that comes with the package says which side is going to be down. So you just open your printer, put the labels in, it's gonna feed one label, and then when you print, it's gonna print right away. How easy was that? And look at the quality of the print. It's amazing. Like, it's a very, very good quality, similar to my demo. I do have a demo, but I'm loving these little printers that give you a lot of more options, because the demo can only print 4x6, and these little printers can print 1.25 inches, the smallest. But look at this, the quality is amazing. Now, the exciting feature about this printer is that you can connect it via Bluetooth to your phone. You cannot connect it to your computer. Believe me, I tried. It doesn't work that way, but it's so convenient to print from your phone. As you can see here, I just sent the shipping label JPEG to my phone, and then I went to the app that they have for this kind of printer. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. The name is Shipping Printer Pro, and you can easily download it in the App Store. I tried some 2x2 labels that I had, and as you can see, they worked, and I am so excited about this because now I can create my labels for my small business These little printers are amazing for small businesses, let me tell you. It really made a difference when I bought my first thermal printer and I started printing my shipping labels on that thermal printer. It was amazing. You save a lot of time by doing it this way. So I really recommend you guys, if you have a small business, this is a great investment. I want you guys to know that this is not a sponsored video. This printer was sent to me by the company for me to review it, and I am very happy with how it prints and all the options that I have now with the Bluetooth, and it's really a great addition for my business. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box where you can find it. You can use a lot of different sizes, label sizes, and you can use them for a lot of different things. I even use them to put labels on my soaps. I make handmade soaps and I shrink wrap them first, and then I put the labels in the front with the ingredients in the back, and it's just saved so much time. I don't have to use my Cricut or my Silhouette to cut the labels. I just print them and that's it. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this little printer? And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.